In this lesson, we'll show you how to take off your entire model. This can be very useful if instead of taking off individual selections or pieces of your model, you wish to quickly take off the whole thing. In principle, you'll basically be taking your entire model and placing it in the quantification workbook. We'll show you how now. First, go to the Home tab, and from the Tools panel, select the Quantification button, and the Quantification workbook will appear. Now you'll click on Project Setup. Click Remind Me Later if the tutorial prompt pops up. For our catalog, we're going to select None for this example. We'll leave our units as imperial, and we won't change any of the particular unit measurements in the last screen. Once that's all done, we'll press Finish, and now we're ready to take off our model into the quantification workbook. I'm just going to minimize the screen a little bit here. Okay, and now you can either highlight your entire model and move it into the quantification workbook, or you can go to the selection tree and choose the entire file. You have two options. You can right-click on the project name, go to Quantification and select Takeoff, or you can just drag and drop the file into the quantification workbook. The quantification workbook now contains the entire model, and if you click on individual sections, you can see the properties of each item. So, to offer a brief recap, when you need to take off an entire model, and not just parts of it or selections or particular sets, you can do so by simply opening the quantification workbook and either highlighting your entire model and dragging it into the workbook, or just dragging the project from the selection tree.